नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु सदा. Now similarity part 6 in part up to part 5 we have studied what we have solved one first question of practice set number 1.3. Now going to start with the second question, and the figure of this second question is this. And the value of PQR is 6, 8 and 10. LM is 3, 4 and 5. They have given are these figures they have asked to find are the triangles in figure are similar. So they have asked you that these two triangles are similar or not. So see, I told you that the bada bhai, chota bhai. Abhi dekhna hai when they are given the values of all the sides, we'll find out the ratios, and if the ratios of three sides are same, then we can easily find out these two triangles are similar or not. So solution will take in triangle PQR and triangle LMN. First we find out value of PQ upon LM. That is 6 upon 3. So PQ upon LM is equal to 2 upon 1. I'll take the equation 1. Then QR upon MN is equal to 8 upon 4. Again we are getting QR upon MN is equal to 2 upon 1 is equation 2. Therefore sign also. Then PR upon LN is equal to 10 upon 5, and PR upon LN is equal to 2 upon 1 is equation number 3. See, value of this is 2 upon 1, 2 upon 1, 2 upon 1. So I can write from equation 1, 2 and 3, but I get PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to PR upon LN. So ultimately what you got then? All the ratios are equal. Therefore, triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN by sides are equal. That means S. This is your final answer. This is question number 3. And they have given the figure as well as a question like this. As shown in the figure, two poles of length 8 meter and 6 meters are perpendicular to ground, means they should show like this. If the length of the shadow of a smaller pole, this is a smaller pole, due to sunlight is 6 meter. Just give me 1 minute to check that. I think some question printing mistake is there in textbook. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. It was a 4 meter. So PQ is 4 meter, and length of the shadow of that is 6 meters. So this is 6 meters. So such questions are there in trigonometry topic That time you are going to draw the figure your own and you are going to solve whatever I am going to do it now. So such type of questions, what you are going to write, solution in figure, segment AB and segment PR represents height of two poles which are perpendicular to ground such that length AB is equal to 8 meter and length PR is equal to 4 meters. Segment QR and segment BC represents length of shadows. So length QR is equal to 6 meter. Now we have to find out the length of the shadow of bigger pole, means we have to find out BC. In such cases, we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. So when you are going to prove these two triangles are similar, okay, so which triangle you are going to consider first? So we are going to write in triangle ABC and triangle PRQ. Triangle ABC and triangle PRQ angle ABC is congruent to angle PRQ. Reason, what is reason here behind it? Each of measure 90 degree as they are perpendicular to the ground. And these angles are also congruent. A reason I'll tell you. See, in morning time, our shadow will be very lengthy and will fall on west side because sun is on east side. But as sun rises up, our length of the shadow will go on decreasing. At 12 noon, our shadow will be at your feet. But as again sunset goes on, so what happens then? Your shadow will be fall on what? East side, and again length will go on increasing. But that will not happen that one person is standing behind just next to me, okay, and my length, the length of the shadow is very big and his shadow is very small. It will not happen because the rays which are coming from the sun, they are parallel to each other. So the length of the first person and length of the second person will become parallel lines. That's why these angles will become congruent. So we can give the reason that shadows are formed at same time. So in such cases, these two angles will be same, and we are going to give the reason that what is that? Angles are congruent because shadow is formed at the same time. Have you understood what I am telling you? Because they have given the statement how long it will as the shadow is formed at same time. Is it right? So what I am going to write? Angle PQR is congruent to angle ACB. The reason we are going to write, over here, ACB is congruent to angle PQR The reason is, as shadow is formed at same time. As two angles are congruent to each other, I can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PRQ by a test. You got it? Now, as these are there, what I can write then? AB upon PR is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. The result is CSSP. So, what are you going to do now? AB upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. Got it now? Now, what is the value of AB? It is 8 meters. What is the value of PR? 4 meters is equal to BC. We don't know, but QR is of 6 meters. So what I can do? Therefore, 8 into 6 upon 4 is equal to BC. So 4 ones are, 4 twos are, length BC is equal to 12 meters. So once we got that, we can write the statement, length of the shadow, length of shadow of bigger pole is 12 meters, and then you have to finish the question. Okay? The question number 4, they are given, this is a figure for it. Now, given. So what is given to you? In triangle ABC, what is it given to you?
In triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to BC.
Segment AP is perpendicular to segment BC and segment BQ is perpendicular to segment AC. And one more they are given to you that what? B, P and C are collinear points and A, C and AP and Q. AQ, okay, sorry. AQ, C are collinear points. Then what they are asked to prove?
Prove triangle CPA.
To prove triangle
CPA
CPA
is
similar to triangle
CQB.
CQB.
If AP is equal to 7,
that will come over here. Length AP is equal to 7 units.
length BQ is equal to 8 units.
Length BQ. We'll do one thing. We'll remove that. What to prove? Triangle
CPA
is similar to triangle
CQB.
CQB
If length AP
is
7
equal to
units,
7 units,
length BQ
is equal to
8 units,
8 units,
length BC is equal to 12 units.
12 units. So what to find now?
Find
what?
AC.
Huh?
Find AC.
AC. Actually, question में prove भी है, to find भी है. Got it? So I think They have given the three sides AP, PQ and BC. I'll not put in the figure. But they are asked to prove that these two triangles are similar. So we'll do this part and then we'll go for the length AC. Length AC कितना है वो निकालेंगे हम लोग. तो solution. See how to prove that these two triangles are similar. Which are the triangle? CPA and again CPA and CQB. But CPA में एंगल C है, CQA में भी एंगल C है, तो एक एंगल तो कॉमन हो गया. और CPA का एंगल P is 90 और इनका Q is 90. That is more than enough to prove that these two triangles are similar. So they have given already correspondence. तो वही लेंगे हम लोग. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle C is congruent. So what I'm going to write, angle PCA is congruent to angle QCB. Here we are going to give the reason, common angle. And angle CPA is congruent to angle CQB. The reason is each of measure 90 degree. So ultimately triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test. तो आपका ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया. अभी ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. बट हमारे पास तो यही है, these two triangles are similar and they have asked the length of the side. So what I will do, I will take the corresponding of it. So CP upon CQ is equal to AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. See, CP upon CQ, instead of PA, what I write AP, so you can write BQ and AC upon BC. We are going to write CS SQ. Now you substitute the values. CP का value कितना है? Do you have value of CP? No. CQ? No. So I will write CP upon CQ. AP they have given to you? Yes. What is that? 7. BQ कितना दिया है? 8. AC पता नहीं. BC we have got the value 12. We are going to write given. So ultimately what you got now? This is the main answer. You put in box a little better and put there cos and all here. So therefore 7 upon 8 is equal to AC by 12. Therefore 7 upon 8 into 12 is equal to AC, and we know that 4 2s are 4 3s are, then 7 3s are is 21 upon 2 is AC. So if I cancel it, 1s are here, just take care of it because 21 2 1s are 2, 1 2 से छोटा है, we are going to take 0, it become 10, become 5. So length AC will become 10.5 units. This is your final answer. Okay, this is the figure for the question number. Is the question number what? 5. 5. This is the figure of question number 5. And just tell me what is given to you.
In trapezium PQRS.
So shall I write quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. This type of questions they have asked many times. तो ये समझ आना है कि these two sides are parallel. तो ये दो triangles congruent रहेंगे. By this two angles will be alternate angles and this is vertically opposite. That is more than enough to do that these smaller triangles are similar to each other. Okay.
Side PQ
is parallel to side
SR.
SR.
Side
segment
AR,
segment AR.
length AR.
Okay, wait. Segment PR and segment SQ intersect at A. Length P है ना? Length AR
AR
is how much?
5 AP.
5
AP.
AP
5 AP.
अच्छा, AR, this AR is equal to 5 AP and SA.
AS
AS is equal to 5 AQ. And they asked to prove
5 PQ.
SR is equal to 5 PQ. अब तुम जरा ध्यान देकर देखो कि these two lines are parallel. फिर इन्होंने इस ये और इसके बीच में रिलेशन पूछा है, AP और AR के बीच में, और ये SA और इसके बीच में रिलेशन दिया हुआ है, और उन्हें पूछा है इन दोनों के बारे में. Means we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. अब वो कैसे सिमिलर करें, और इस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस के लिए यही मेथड अप्लाई करो तुम लोग. ओके, सो proof. First of all, they have given that this quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. As it is a trapezium, and they have given that side PQ is parallel to side SR. Is it right? If I am taking, if PR is a transversal, PR is a transversal, I can write this. PR is a transversal. This angle will be congruent with this angle. Okay, so angle QPA is congruent to angle SRA. This we are going to take as equation 1 by alternate angle theorem of parallel lines. Once we got that, now we are going to take the triangle. These two triangles we are going to take. So we are going to take triangle in triangle PAQ. See, PAQ. तो P के साथ में क्या लेना है? R लेना है. And triangle P के साथ क्या लेना है? R. A के साथ क्या लेना है? A and S. So first of all, you have proved that angle QPA is congruent to angle SRA. There we are going to write from 1, and angle PAQ is congruent to angle RAS by, we can write actually vertically opposite angles. Are congruent. Vertical opposite angles are congruent. As these two things are there, therefore triangle PAQ is similar to triangle RAS by AAS. Once we got this, but they are asked to prove ना कि ये इस तरह से तो ये prove करना है. Then these are the sides. So what I am going to do, I am going to take the corresponding sides. So what will happen then? Here I can write AP upon AR is equal to AQ upon AS is equal to PQ upon SR. Here we are going to write the reason CS, ST. What are you going to write? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay. Now this one, instead of AR, what are you going to write? AP upon phi AP. We are going to write AQ upon phi AS is equal to PQ upon SR. Here you are going to write P1. Is it right? But this is getting cancelled. ये कैंसिल हो गया तो क्या रह गया तुम्हारे पास? Therefore 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5 is equal to PQ upon SR. Means 1 upon 5 is equal to PQ upon SR. And if I cross multiply it, I'll get SR is equal to 5 PQ. This is your final answer. Copy down this. Your question number 6 or 7?
6.
6.
In
This is a figure of question number 6. They have given that. Read the question.
trapezium
So, quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a trapezium. If it is a trapezium,
side AB is parallel to side BC.
side AB is parallel to side
BC
BC.
diagonal AC
Diagonal AC
and BC
and BC intersect
in point O.
in point O.
If length AB
Length AB
equals to 20 units,
20 units.
length
This is actually a 20 units.
length DC equals to 6 units,
Length DC is equal to
6 units,
6 units.
and
So DC is 6.
length OB is equals to 15
Length
units.
OB is equal to
15 units.
15 units. So this is
Find
OB
OD.
is 15 units. And what I asked you?
Find OD.
OD भी आपको इसका वैल्यू क्या है वो निकालना है. तो अगेन जस्ट सी these two sides are the जैसा पहला क्वेश्चन किया था सेम क्वेश्चन है जैसा क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 किया था उसका एक कॉपी है. What to find? Length OD. So same question is same, method of doing is same. Solution. We are going to write quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Side AB is parallel to side DC. It is given. We are going to consider if CA is a transversal. CA is a transversal angle. DCO is congruent to angle BAO. Take the equation 1. And now we are going to consider these two triangles. So as previously we have considered, same we are going to do triangle COD and angle AOB. Once again C के साथ A लेना है, O के साथ O लेना है और D के साथ B लेना है. In triangle DCO is congruent to angle BAO. The result is from 1 and angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. Here we are going to write vertically opposite angles are congruent. So triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by AA test of similarity. So we are going to take the corresponding sides, which are that OC upon OA is equal to OD upon OB is equal to CD or DC upon AB. The reason is CSST. After that, just see the values. Do you know the value of OC? Don't know the value of OC. We put it like this. OA, we don't know the value of OA. But OD का value मालूम है. कितना है OD का value? OD तो निकालना है हम लोग को. Okay, OD. OB कितना दिया हुआ है? 15. So we write 15. DC कितना है भाई? 6. And AB is 20. We are going to write given. Therefore, OD upon 15 is equal to 6 upon 20. 2 3s are, 2 10s are. Then OD is equal to 3 upon 10 into 15 हो जाएगा. Therefore, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Your answer is coming. OD is equal to 9 upon 2. So length OD is equal to 4.5 units is your final answer.